Alright guys, today we're going to be doing a wall. We're going to be killing off the moss and mold, black mold that's on there. We're using the HDX deck sprayer. We are using the one that you could use with bleach, because if you don't use the one that's with bleach, you will burn out your seals and you will go through a deck sprayer all the time. So basically, we're using sodium hydrochlorinate and surfactant, but today sodium hydrochlorinate is pool shock. Basically guys, it's 12 to 15% bleach, which you get with pool shock, and you're supposed to use sodium hydrochlorinate, but today we're going to use Dawn dish soap because it has surfactant in it. I'm sorry, you use surfactant. It has a little bit of surfactant. The surfactant acts like little fingers and it grips onto everything that we spray it on so that the bleach can stay on and kill everything. So we're gonna mix it. You use 1 ounce of Dawn dish soap for every 1 gallon. I'm gonna mix it in now. We have a 2-gallon pump sprayer, as you can see. This stuff is very strong. Try not to get it on you because it will burn your skin. Trust me, I know from doing it all the time, unfortunately. And you always want to use eye protection, which we'll be using once we start spraying. Because this is no joke. This stuff will burn you. Get it in, take the Dawn, spray some in there, like I said. And now we gotta mix it. Once we put the pump in, make sure it's nice and tight when you put it in, guys. This is very important, otherwise you will not get pressure. Take it in here, mix it around. See all the suds in there? All right, I'm gonna go get my glasses so we can start spraying. All right, so now, I like to use yellow glasses because it brightens everything up. Now, you can use whatever you'd like. Watch what happens when you spray on the solution and what goes on. All right. It up, get some pressure in here. So we're spraying it down good. Guys, as you can see, the wall is already starting to clear up. The moss is starting to turn white. Look how nice and clean the stones are getting. Everything's starting to disappear, all the mold, which is pretty nice. If you see here, look at the moss. It's all starting to turn white. It's all starting to die off. So a lot of people think you need really heavy chemicals. You don't. Pool Shock is the best thing to kill mold, moss, mildew. You just buy it. The best one is at Walmart. The liquid one that they have is great. It's the best one I've ever used. Today I don't have that with me. Walmart was out last night when I went to go buy some. So I had to go to a pool place and get some Pool Shock. Yep. But let me tell you, Pool Shock is unbelievable. Our clothes that we wash at home with bleach, that bleach is only 2.5% bleach. Pool Shock is anywhere between 12% to 15% bleach. So it's a much higher concentrate of bleach. And let me tell you, it really works really nice. So as you can see, everything's starting to go away. It takes a little bit of time, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. If you look at all the moss, it's turning white. That means it's dying off. And basically all you do is you don't even need high pressure to wash this off and get everything off, because then you get the mortar out and all that from the stone wall. So you don't want to do that. We use low pressure because the chemical did all the work. So that's what happens. And it's going to be a little bit, you know, we sit here, we wait a little bit, and we're going to wash it off pretty soon and get everything cleaned off.